It is Samuel's birthday, and he's having a birthday party. First, they play some games, pass the parcel, musical chairs, and pin the tail on the donkey. After the games, a magician performs a magic show. It's very amusing. He wears a top hat and a cape, and uses a long magic wand. He has a big magic box with a unicorn on the side. He does a few tricks and pulls a long line of scarves from his pocket. Then he asks for someone to come and help him. You! He continues, pointing at Samuel. You are the birthday boy. Will you come and help me, please? Me? Said Samuel. You! Shout the children, pointing at him. Samuel helps the magician do a special trick. He has to wave the magic wand and say, You! Right on cue, a rabbit pops out from under the magician's table. After the magic show, they all go outside and have a barbecue.
I'd like to have a barbecue, you. I'd like to have a barbecue with you and you and you.
You. Fuel. Cube. Barbecue. Statue. Rescue. Now let's read the words that have digraph U. R, e, re, s, resk, and e says you. Rescue. St, a, sta, and e again says you. Statue. This is digraph R. We will talk about it later. A and R are G, U. Argue. This is K, U. Q. V, A, val, and e says excellent. You. Value. Fuel. This is B. Again, R, bar, beck. You. Barbecue. This is D. You. Dew. Excellent, boys and girls. Let me show you how are we going to write digraph U. Now digraph U has two letters, letter U and letter E. Remember our 4 lines? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Digraph U starts from line number 2 till line number 3. We will start with the A. I go down, straight, round, up again, down with the tail, up again, and write the E. Again, I start with the A. I go down, up again, down on the same line with the small tail, up, dash, and write the E. One more time. This is line 2, this is line 3. I start from the dot, I go down, up again, down on the same line, up with the tail, and write the E. digraph U. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I miss you so much. Bye bye.